Okay, hi everyone, this is Manoni Smalls, the Oracle Kings. So I just want us to do a recap about the trades that we took the whole week, and the setups that we had. So remember, I don't remember the day exactly. I gave you a buy on gold, for which I gave them in the premium group the buy on gold. Remember, I said let's buy gold. Let's buy gold. We bought gold when it was around this level here. Then I said let's buy gold here. This was the setup, because why? I saw that the market, they just grabbed this liquidity here. They just grabbed this liquidity here. I saw them grabbing this liquidity. Then I was like, there is no way that this market might continue go down and leave this liquidity around this trend line. So when I saw that when the market created this zone, they had a strong impulsive movement. And then when the market came here, I saw this small candlestick. Then I was like, let's buy gold. And then they came back to give us a second entry here of a buy on gold. So we bought this gold here, and then yesterday I took a sell on gold also. The reason why I took a sell on gold, if you can check, this is a W top formation. So if I'm deleting this and then this and this, then you will see that this market here created a higher high. This market here created a higher high and then a higher low. And then what? This was a W top formation. Then when I saw that this is the previous, this was on 21st of March, and then this was the 21st also of March, and then I saw that this was the early opening of the day. This was the ending of the day, and then around the opening of the day they failed to grab this high. So when the market was here, then I was like, okay, let me just sell this thing, because it's a clean M formation around the high, around the closing of the day, and then the high low around the opening of the day. That's the reason why I sold this gold. So at the moment I'm still expecting gold to continue bearish. The reason why my take profit was exactly here, if not mistaken. But when the market was around here, I took my profit and then I left it. When it was dropping here, then I took my profit. Then I was like, let me just leave this trade with my profit. So I took my profit here. And then let's shift to another one, for which is USD-CHF. Remember USD-CHF, I gave you a buy in the premium group, a USD-CHF buy. Those who know me know the strategy that I'm trading. I'm trading supply and demand, including order flow. So here you can check that this is the supply zone of H4 time frame. This is the supply zone of H4 time frame. They retested here, then came back, consolidation, then impulsive, then that broke this supply zone. So now it's S2D, supply to demand. That's the reason why I said let's buy. I saw this thing when it was here, then I thought it's gonna come back on smaller time frame. Which one? I thought it's gonna come back again here on smaller time frame. I thought it's gonna come back here and give us a nice entry on H1, and then we buy it. But unfortunately they only used the H4 zone. But when I was analyzing it, I analyzed this trade using the H4 time frame. Then the market came back here and then went straight to the top. So let's go to GBP USD. Those who know me remember I'm trading most of the time. My setup that I know that I'm not gonna just lose those setups just like that. I know when I found a supply to demand or demand to supply setups, we are killing it. So this is the GBP USD that I had. If you remember in the group, in the Oracle Kings group, I gave you this signal, and in the premium group, if not mistaken, of the order blocks and Mcoin. So here, if you remember correctly, I gave you this sell. Our stop loss was around 950. which was here. If you can go back to the group and check, it was a 99250. They didn't take our stop loss because I said let's buy GBP USD. The reason why we bought this GBP USD, when you go to smaller time frames, you can see that this is the base that broke the supply zone. So now we had a what? S2D again, S2D setup, and then that's the reason why I said let's buy. Then yesterday I said, okay, let me give you another setup. Remember my strategy. I've combined supply and demand and order flow. So here, this was another one. These are demand zone. Market came back to retest it and then acted as if they are buying, then came here and retested this small supply. Then this is the area that broke this demand, which is now D2S, which is demand to supply. Then I told you to put pending orders exactly around this level. This was the level where I said we are going to put our pending order of a sell limit and then our stop loss here. If you can check here, this is even a nice QML level, but unfortunately the market didn't test it. But when you go to H4 time frame, you can see that the market, they tested the H4 time frame order block and then they shifted. So on this trade we didn't get any entry because we used this, we modified our order block and to H1 time frame so that we don't have big stop loss, and then they left us behind. Then let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD is the nice setup that we had. I gave you this Euro USD setup. Okay, sharp. In the premium group again, I told you let's buy Euro USD. And then this Euro USD, if you can check it, zoom out, you can check this is a supply zone that has been broken by the demand coming from this level. Then what the market did, the market decided to grab all the stop losses below here and then shifted. And this setup was, I sent this setup in the premium group for everyone to take a buy, but unfortunately the market took our stop losses and then went straight to the top. Okay, so now when you go to, then yesterday I said let's sell Euro USD. We had a sell on Euro USD, and then this is a demand zone on smaller time frame. And M30 or M15, this is a demand zone. Look at this strong impulsive, but I saw that the market is weak here and then they broke this level. At first, our first entry, I wanted us to sell here, then the market took us out here. And then if you can check the picture when I dropped this signal, this picture we had a sell limit here, and then I had already hit this level like this. So when yesterday I saw this market just when it was already retesting here before they print this candlestick, we sold from this level. We sold from this is a strong impulsive. We sold from this level, and then what happened? The market went all the way to this level. Then this was our take profit. Then I saw that this market need to break, need to grab this liquidity again here. I'm not gonna buy, but my aim was only to sell it from that level. That was a sniper entry, if you can check. Just small peep drawdown and then went straight. And then I had a second entry point here, and this was my breakup block. The last opposite came here before this high. Then I entered this trade here. I know that this market will retest. When this market was still printing this green candlestick around before they give it the rejection, I sold again another entry point. Then my stop loss, my TP was here. Then my stop loss was exactly around the break even of the first entry point. So another one is gonna be Euro GBP. In the premium group of order blocks at Mcoin, you know that I gave you this signal. If you can check it nicely, this is a supply zone, this is a demand zone, sorry, and then you have liquidity equal highs. Then this is a supply zone. At first you wanted to buy this thing here, and then they grabbed the liquidity, came back, and then now I was like, okay, since they didn't respect this trend, I thought they were going to give us a correction there and continue, but they felt they took our stop loss exactly here. After taking our stop loss, I was like, okay, now let me check it nicely. I saw this clean supply demand zone, sorry, and then we had a clean demand zone, and then here this was our supply zone. Remember my setup now. When I find the setup like this, we are killing it. You don't miss. Then this is a supply to demand. If you can check here, this was liquidity that I saw also. I wanted the market to grab it, and then what? Went straight to the top. Then unfortunately they didn't trigger. I had the pending orders there. Even in the group I gave out pending orders in the premium group. I gave out pending orders of this Euro GBP, but unfortunately the trade didn't trigger. So then we had GBP JPY yesterday. GBP JPY, when I was analyzing the market yesterday, I was like, okay, already this GBP JPY, they're giving me the same vibe with the gold that I took, right? Clean information. Then I was like, okay, now I can see this is gonna be head and shoulder. But after this head and shoulder, I saw that we have this order block here with a strong push. So I wanted the market to come. I saw this setup when it was around here before they give us this small drop. When it was around here, I wanted the market to retest here and we sell. And this thing is, I'm still on a sell. I'm still on a sell on this trade. And then I didn't enter it. I'll show you the one that we entered. Then it failed to retest, and then it went straight down. And then we have Euro JPY, which is the trade that we are in. The trade that we are in. Remember, I told you to keep looking profits till we hit our take profit, because our take profit is around this level, around 200 if not mistaken. That's why I want us to take our profit. Then I was like, okay, when I was analyzing this, I opened my 1 hour time frame chart. Then I was like, okay, this vibe is the same vibe with Euro GBP JPY, and the same vibe that I saw on gold. So I was like, okay, this is the same structure. So I saw this trend line. They broke this trend line. Then when I was looking on my left side, I saw the left shoulder and then the right shoulder here. Then I was like, there is no way this market might still continue bullish. So we sold exactly around the line here on this green candlestick. That's where we said, let's sell Euro GBP. Then we're gonna keep on locking profits until we hit our take profit. Trust me, this trade is gonna go straight to TP because there is no zone. This was the zone that was giving me headache. Yeah, this was the order block that was giving me headache. This one, this was an order block that was giving me headache, but now I can see they just broke it. So after breaking that zone, I know that this market is still gonna continue bearish. This market is still gonna continue bearish. This market is still gonna continue bearish. So then we had AUDNZD. AUDNZD is still playing around. I gave out in the premium group. This AUDNZD, if you can check here, let's check this red line, horizontal line, then put here. You can see this is a nice QML level. Nice QML level. Nice QML. Also, I didn't care about this. I didn't want to sell there. I didn't have any orders there. My orders were there only. Then I saw that this is the low broken. Then I saw that here we have liquidity there. We have liquidity there to grab. So that's the reason why I'm saying let's sell. That's why I said let's sell AUDNZD. So it's still around the zone, but on Monday we're going to look for more opportunities of a sell on this trade. So guys, this is Mancane Sports, the Oracle Club. Let's end our video here. Hope this video will help you in your forex journey. Anyways, cheers.